Hello friends, welcome to Brendra DR channel from the GVK EMRI EMLC department. Here I am interacting with lot of doctors, paramedics and the people who have really dedicated, committed themselves passionately to really serve the people who are in deep trouble. They are struggling for lives, but these wonderful heroes and heroines, they really try to save their lives, save their family, give a new life to them because they are dealing with emergency. Emergency means every second, every minute and every hour counts. The golden minutes and the golden hours. So these are great warriors. They are not just ordinary physicians. They are not only just a practitioner who sits at some clinic and earns a lot of money. They have given their life and they think that this is a time when they can learn wonderfully. That is success literature I explained in Go Extra Mile. Now this is a time for you children to learn this skill. Give the great service, and if you become very qualified, very capable person, money will not be any barrier for your life. You will get a lot of money, but first deserve then desire. Make yourself very qualified, very learned doctor. This is the first point. And to become anything great, you know what is greatness? Life, heights by great men reached and kept. Heights by great men reached and kept. Heights by great men reached and kept were not attained by a sudden flight, but while their companions slept, they were toiling apart in the night. They never stopped, they never made U-turn. They committed, dedicated, persevered, persisted, striving, seeking, finding different ways and means to define themselves who I am. Am I very useful, creative and productive person? Or all, I have a lot of friends, I'm wasting my time, I'm ruining my life, I look like a human, but the creativity, the serviceability, the original love, affection and compassion you have not acquired in your life. So just being a doctor doesn't make much sense. Being a doctor, and I give you an example of our EMLC director, Dr. Raman Rao sir. He is a renowned personality. Highest degrees he has in different disciplines, but he became one of the best in the whole world. He is invited every day in different countries. Corona has really jeopardized our all activities in the world, but he is invited. He is our director at EMLC, Dr. Ranga Rao sir. See, he becomes so capable. He has no friends. He will not talk more. He invests his time. He never wastes his time. That's the philosophy I teach to my children. Manage your time, manage your life. Your time is on your life. Every minute, like in emergency care, every minute, every second, every hour counts. Similarly, you are yourself in emergency. Emergency means you are not becoming very great, very famous, very renowned doctor, because you are not treating yourself. You have to treat yourself by becoming better and better, day by day in every way, learning more and more. There is no limit to the knowledge. The more you learn, the more you feel you should learn more. So treat yourself. We are all in emergency. Our knowledge is limited. We have very limited information in life. So the best way is to become very productive, very creative, very wonderful person is to become a very skillful person. Skill needs your attention, your hard work. You may be intelligent, and all of you are intelligent, I told you. I told you the poem of Rittenhouse. I bargained with life for a penny. Life would give no more. However, I begged in the evening when I counted my scanty store. Life is just an employer. It gives you what you ask. But once you have set the wage, you must pay the tax. Means if you wasted your time in friendship and gossip, going on Facebook, multitasking, not concentrating, not devoting, not a man of self-discipline, self-control, balanced mind, not very responsible, not becoming very skillful, you have ruined your life. But there is no problem with your life or brain. It has all the ability, capability of any great man. So please take full possession of your mind, control and direct it towards a specific goal. Your mind is like a converging lens. Take a lens, go to the sun and focus at a particular point, things start burning. Because all the energy coming from the sun is focused at a particular point. Similarly, you have energy. you have enthusiasm, you are youth, you have determination, but you have to use your every power and potential. Only then you can be very useful and very productive. India is having so many great people. I tell you one example, Dr. Ramana Rao, and another great example of our chairman, sir. He was born not very rich, but he has a dream and desire to serve Indians. And so he started creating an empire, not one business. GVK infrastructure, GVK hotels, now GVK hospital, GVK MRI, GVK power, GVK biotech, GVK airports, so many business. That's why you have to also think. Imagination, creative vision, give your value to yourself. Don't get value and certification from others. Don't work for award or reward or anything. Work for your gratification. As Gopal Krishna said, sir, you are talking about Abdul Kalam, but why don't you give examples of Steve Jobs? And I told my children, Steve Jobs is my hero. When he died, I was weeping bitterly and make a beautiful video to pay homage to him. And there I learned from him. Stay hungry, stay foolish. What is the meaning, doctor, can you tell? Stay hungry, Lakshmi, my daughter Lakshmi. What is the meaning, stay hungry and stay foolish? Means your hunger for learning should be too great. You should be hungry to learn. You should be better person day by day in every way. Physically, mentally, spiritually, emotionally. That is hunger. To be fit, to be looking beautiful, to be looking knowledgeable, to be looking capable, to be a force to reckon with. People will respect you if you deserve it. That is all from Steve Jobs. And be engaged in a labor of love. Do what you love and like. If you are a doctor and if you love money like Dr. Gopal Krishna wants to be a very rich man, then definitely he is oddly blessed. This medical profession is a life of sacrifice. You people are children young, but see 12 hours you are working. And you are not taking care of your own comforts. Anytime call center calls you, you rush in the ambulance, go to the patient, struggling for life, not able to breathe, profuse bleeding, multiple problems. What do? You forget about yourself and you say, yes, I have come. I am Hanuman. I have brought Sanjeevani for you. And be sure I will save your life. Your one kind word make the patient so comfortable and patient survives because you generate in him some belief and faith and hope that they will survive. Right or wrong, tell me? You do that, no? You are not only treating medically, but you also give him some consolation. Don't worry, I have come, you will be safe. Psychological treatment. That's why I gave you the example of Dr. Emile Coué. He taught his patients to believe in himself. Day by day, in every way, I am getting better and better. And if you believe psychologically, your belief and faith will make you cure. A man with a lot of belief and faith, he can survive longer even with the worst disease. But a man who is hopeless, who loses faith in his life, he will die much faster. So as a doctor, you have done it. You are not treating the patients when you are carrying him in your ambulance 108 services. Rather, you give him some consolation. Right, doctor? Giving or not? Lakshmi, you are giving consolation. And you have to always smile at a patient. Make him happy. You understand what is the best treatment for any patient? A peaceful state of mind. A joyful state of mind. Your body is governed by mind. If your mind is happy and peaceful, you will be healthy most of the time. But if your mind is crooked, I told you your mind is occupied with negativity, greed, anger, hatred, jealousy and cynical thoughts, you will paralyze your whole body because you are a crooked person. You are not a nice human being. You are always in negativity. So that negativity will burn you. You will be in the funeral pyre because of your own evil thinking. But on the contrary, you are a man with a lot of positive thinking. There is truthfulness, truth, justice, peace, love, non-violent attitude, honesty, integrity, humility, generosity. Every time you are thinking positive, you become divine. These are called divine thoughts, godly thoughts. What my daughter says. She believes in Jesus. But what I told? Jesus told certain facts, certain thoughts, they are universal truth. Believe in his thinking. As a man thinketh in his heart, so is he. So also I repeat his word in my own language. We are what we think. All that we are ideas with our thought. With our thought we make our world. In a very one sentence, 6 letter, we become what we think about. Tell me. We become what we think about. Dr. Madam, please tell nicely. Please get up. We become what we think about. You know, this statement is so strange and so secret. People do not believe that they become what they think about. But my chairman and my director, they believe they can become what they think about. That's why you see all the big things have come. GVK MRI has come. GVK hospital has come. And I tell you, my inspiration and motivation to these great people are there. Start tomorrow. Medical college at par with all India Institute of Medical Sciences. Believe. And they will believe and they believe and they will do it. So tomorrow maybe, my doctors, you will be a faculty in my GVK Institute of Medical Sciences. Be worthy, because once you come for interview, we will ask you, what is your skill? What is your depth of understanding? What is your depth of knowledge? And more than I will ask you, do you love this profession? Are you ready to suffer? Are you ready to sacrifice your life? See that the others are happy? Medical profession requires more blood, toil, tears and sweat to save the lives of others, not for money. Money will come second. So dear friends, bottom line, believe in yourself. Madam, sit down, Dr. Madam. Believe in yourself. The power of mind. Whatever the mind can think and believes, the mind can achieve for you. You can do it if you believe you can do. First is belief. Second, time management. The first time you should allot inspiration from our chairman sir, early in the morning or evening. He plays tennis, he goes for swimming, he goes for walking, do all this. You have to learn lessons from great men, because lives of great men all remind us we can make our lives sublime and departing leave behind us footprints on the sands of time. Everyone is born, everyone will pass away. But how much you have contributed to the world, the grateful world will not forget you, children. If you have done certain great things, like my Gopal Krishna remembers Steve Jobs, somebody remembers Bill Gates, somebody remembers Elon Musk. Why? They have given to you so many things. You become one of the galaxy superstars. That is my wish, that is my desire, and that is my blessings to you. And I wish you best of luck. Be physically, mentally, spiritually balanced person, happy person, and all depends on your thinking, in your believing, in your perseverance, in your patience toward the pursuit of becoming an excellent person. I salute you and thank you, children. Bye from now. See you again.